Hello, good day viewers. So far we have solved this problem in two different ways, which is x to the power of 4 equal to negative 4. This was the first method, and secondly we applied the Mober's theorem. But in this tutorial we are going to apply the general formula for solving quadratic equations to solve the same problem. So here is the problem: x to the power of 4 equal to negative 4. I would like to bring negative 4 to the left. So we have x to the power of 4 plus 4 if it crosses over, and this is equal to 0. Again, I would like to let t to be equal to x squared, which means that t squared is equal to what? X to the power of 4. So instead of this x to the power of 4, we are going to replace it with t squared. So we have t squared plus 4 equal to 0. The question is, how can we make this a complete squared? We can do that by adding 4t. So we have t squared plus 4t plus 4. But since we do not have this term initially, I can subtract it here, minus 4t. The whole of this equal to 0. This and this means the same thing because we have added 4t and subtracted 4t. So the first three terms can be factorized because you can see half the coefficient of t will give us 2, and 2 squared is 4. And hence we can say that this is t plus half the coefficient of t. 4 divided by 2 is 2 whole squared. Then remember we have minus 4t. The whole of this equal to 0. Now let us back substitute. Remember that t is equal to x squared. So let me bring my x squared back. So this is x squared plus 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by x squared, and this is equal to 0. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. If you join them together, you have 2x all squared. So we have x squared plus 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 2x whole squared. This is equal to 0. If you observe, this is nothing but difference of 2 squares. And how can we factorize it? We're going to take this, subtract this, then multiply, take this, add this. Just a difference of sign, plus and minus. So let me start by subtraction. Take this, subtract this. X squared plus 2, then minus 2x will give us what? X squared minus 2x plus 2 is x squared minus 2x, then plus 2. This is a quadratic function. Then you multiply by, this time around we add. We have x squared plus 2x plus 2. This is equal to 0. This implies that either this factor or this must be 0. So let's set them to be equal to 0. X squared minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we're going to apply the quadratic formula to solve these two equations separately. Let me start from the left hand side. Remember the formula which stated that x equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if I should start from the left hand side, we have x equal to minus b. What is b? B is the coefficient of x, which is negative 2, and minus 2 will give us positive 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is negative 2 squared, minus 4 times a. A is the leading coefficient here, which is 1, then multiplied by c, which is 2, the constant. Then the whole of this divided by 2 multiplied by a, but a is still 1. All right. X equal to 2 plus or minus into. If you square this, you're going to get 4. And 4 times 1 times 2 will give us what? 8. 4 minus 8 will give us negative 4. So the whole of this is negative 4. Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Square root of negative 4 is 2i. So this is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. This is equal to 1 plus or minus I if you divide the 2 times by 2. So x could be 1 plus I, or x equal to 1 minus I. These are two solutions. Now let us go back to the other equation. X is now equal to minus b. B is positive 2, so we have minus 2, plus or minus into square root of b squared, that is 2 squared, minus 4, a is 1, c is 2. Divide by 2 multiplied by 1. X is now equal to, the whole of this will give us negative 4. So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4 divided by 2. And square root of negative 4, remember, is 2i. So this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. Divide the 2 times by 2, you have minus 1 plus or minus I. So we can split the two solutions. X could be equal to negative 1 plus I, or x equal to negative 1 minus I. So far we have 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.